Meaning of grammar school.
Grammar school.
Grammar school.
Grammar school.
Grammar school. Grammar school refers to a type of secondary school in the British education system, where students engage in a rigorous academic curriculum and are prepared for further education. Historically, these schools emphasized the teaching of Latin and other classical languages, as well as grammar and rhetoric. Today, grammar schools still prioritize academic excellence and often require entrance exams for admittance. They typically offer a broad range of subjects, including sciences, humanities, and languages. Students who attend grammar schools are generally expected to go on to university and pursue professional careers.